here is our 1985 Ranger 373V Comanche. This boat I had bought in an auction to try and rebuild it and flip it. So we ended up paying around $1,600 for this boat at the auction, which I think is a really good deal for what we've got. There's no soft spots on any of the floors. Comes with a rod locker. The seats are in pretty decent condition. The upholstery is a little messed up, but the carpet's still in good shape. And this right here is the main reason we got it. And you saw in the last video I was rebuilding this 150 because it was overheating, but we bought it as is with not seeing this boat in person at the auction, and they were selling it as it not running. So we got her fired up. She's running strong, so I think that is already more than what we invested into this boat already, just making that thing run. The trailer cosmetically needs some work, but it is in good condition. There's no major rust that's like flaking the metal and making it fall apart. All it is just surface corrosion and the paint chipping. Granted, this boat is a 1985 and the trailer is a 1984, so the condition that is in is pretty good, and we only paid $1,600 for it. Like, even the gel coat and the old bass flake is pretty decent for its age. So I'm gonna show you guys the progress that we make on this boat, flipping it, fixing it, and then testing it up. This is a list of all the stuff that needs to be done on the boat. So what we need to do is a trolling motor, install house batteries, wiring for the batteries, and a battery cutoff switch. We need to do a filter for the oil reservoir that's on the boat, fuel filters, trailer lights, wiring of the trailer. We need the winch for the trailer, a new bow roller, radio and speakers that we already have, rebuild the tilt and trim. Some of the seals are leaking, so I'll show you guys how to do that. And lastly, paint the lower unit. So most of these things are not super critical. They're not super critical, but it would be nice to get them done. So that's a list of all of that. So if you guys are interested in watching those videos, you should stay tuned because they will be coming out very soon. Thank you guys for watching.